Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's your boy Professor Crypto. Got another hot crypto class for you guys today. This one's on fire. You guys already know anything we bring on the channel, it's got the heat, got the potential, and it definitely should be watched. This one is so different, guys. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Class is now in session. Eureka! This one is called CONCEPT2048.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Now, guys, got a brand new hot project to end off 2022. CONCEPT2048 is a duo of digital artists by the name of Ekaterina Perakopskaya and Rostislav Branch. Essentially, guys, their art projects never insist on hard and fast answers, but rather leave an array of open-ended questions for the viewers to reflect upon. In their creative works, guys, they try not to shed light on global issues, but also to call their spectator active live action in order to change the surrounding reality and sustainable development on the planet. The authors involve their viewers in the problem, allowing them thus to think about it and immerse themselves within. The artists also create editorials, 3D animations, any kind of creative content and advertising, guys. Now, in particular, what I want to talk about today, guys, is their Metamorphases collection. But before I start, I'd like to run a little event and giveaway, guys. You'd be required to subscribe to CONCEPT2048's Discord, Twitter, Telegram, and Instagram. And in 10 days time, guys, I'm gonna draw $500 worth of USDT amongst one winner. All the links are gonna be in the description for easy access to join the contest, guys. Now, needless to say, a very large number of people follow this collection of about 100,000 people, guys. Since this is not a generative collection, all parts of the NFT are uniquely complete. Nothing is the same. There's already a pre-sale on TON and it ended up selling out, guys. Now, surely the question for many people is, what are the prices for pre-mint in January 2023? The price is going to be 0.29 Ethereum for public sale, and the price is 0.49 ETH. Can you guys feel the difference? This is quite an amount of Ethereum difference. You could save a lot of money by participating in the pre-mint. To be a part of this, guys, you need to be on their whitelist, and there are two ways to do that. The first is by using a bot on their Telegram. On the CONCEPT2048, there is a join whitelist button at the very top. You can click on it, guys, and there's gonna be a link to the bot. There, you're gonna need to pass your CAPTCHA, write your ERC20 address, and subscribe to CONCEPT2048's Twitter. And then, guys, you can send a screenshot of the subscription and subscribe to the Telegram groups. And after a while, the bot is going to give you the whitelist. The second way, guys, is in their Discord. You can go into their server, CONCEPT2048 link in the description, verify, and then go to the channel. How to whitelist, there are very detailed instructions there. Make sure you check that out, guys. On their website here, guys, they explain that their story, they are a ray of light sent to Earth by the universe. They were sent here to glean why the earth has dimmed and why the pulsating glow weakens with every passing day. The ray of light was whispering. All inhabited planets progressing in their development emit true glaring light. The more progressive the planet, the farther and brighter such radiance becomes, giving the universe its power and stability. For billions of years, guys, the light balance of the universe, sustained by the planets, turned more and more solid. But in recent decades, it has started to wane. Lots of information about their roadmap here, guys. April, May 2022, they started their multilingual Telegram channels. Moving into March and August of 2022, they had their community growth with active production phases. Then they had their first pre-sale on Telegram in August of 2022. That's the one I told you that sold out in 18 minutes. They then had their start of their charity campaign in September 2022 to the funds related to 4 natural elements. Their second pre-sale Telegram, September 2022, that sold out in 48 hours, guys. October 2022, they had their powerful increase of a marketing campaign with new partnerships under their belt, followed by the launch of new social media in November 2022. This was November 1st to the 7th, their Twitter and Reddit. Then they had their third pre-sale on Telegram, November 2022. This was on the 16th to the 23rd, and this was on Telegram as well. Their fourth pre-sale is going to be happening in December of 2022 from the 19th to the 23rd, which is taking place right about now, guys. The end of the whitelist campaign is going to be from January 24th to the 31st. Their pre-mint is going to be January 24th to the 31st again. Pre-mint for whitelist members, and then their mint is going to be happening on January 24th to the 31st, 2023, with Ethereum and Telegram, OpenSea, and Get Gems. We can also look forward to the launch of their Holders Club, which is going to be happening February 2023. This is a common research of the NFT art market. February 2023, we can look forward to the summarizing of the charity campaign, as well as the report for community members. Then, guys, in April and June, their limited NFT collection, Metamorphases Fundamentals. From January to December of 2023, for the whole year, they're going to be doing offline promotion, guys, exhibitions and events dedicated to Metamorphoses, and they're going to have their launch of their new art project by CONCEPT2048. This is going to be happening September to November of 2023. More information is coming soon on that, guys. Keep your eyes peeled. Now, to elaborate a little further on the project, each holder of the Metamorphosis collection will become the patron of one of the 4 elements, depending on which NFT they acquire. Remember, guys, that one of the gradations of the collection is the division by colors into earth, air, water, and fire. The 4 elements, guys. It is to the benefit of these elements, specifically to specialized funds, that part of the funds from the sale of the NFT will be directed. All NFTs are genuine print art that has already been exhibited and recognized in the offline world. The NFT print run is very limited, guys. Only 2,048 pieces have been released. All NFTs are handmade. This is a non-generative collection. There is a backstage of production as well that should be duly noted. And a fun fact here as well, a portion which is represented in the 59th Venice Art Biennale 2022, the personal structures in Palazzo Mora, till the 19th of November 2022, guys. We have more information about the authors and their vision here. As I mentioned, guys, it is a unity of 2 of the artists pros in the fashion art industry. You can pursue their background on the About page. The 2 authors steadfastly refuse to remain indifferent towards the problems that humanity is to face in the not so distant future. Their creations are a call to action towards a sustainable and conscious tomorrow. 2048 pieces of art comprise the collection of NFTs created for those who share the author's vision. All holders become members of a community empowered to decide which environmentally charity will receive a share of the revenue, guys. So why this project? Why 2048? Well, guys, they symbolize the not so distant future to emphasize the importance of being proactive, because every day, every month, and every year counts. Why are the envoys so surreal? The faces of the envoys are covered with draped headpieces. Nothing can disturb their inner vision. Their eyes are closed so the other senses are sharpened, allowing the envoys to be extremely sensitive to the vibrations of the planet and feel its need on a deeper level. Each envoy is a ray of light, and it controls one of the 4 natural elements: water, earth, fire, or air. Their presence on Earth ensures that humanity evolves in the right direction. These are handmade, non-generative, impulsive. The artworks originate from custom crafted photographs inspired by the 4 natural elements. Color is key to Metamorphoses, as it is the major tool influencing the spectator's consciousness. It takes inspiration from color psychology and from Aristotle's theory of color perception, guys. Blockchain ×2. The Metamorphoses collection mint is set to run on 2 blockchains, Ethereum and Ton. The marketplaces is going to be happening on OpenSea and Get Gems. Ton is a fast-growing high-tech blockchain with huge potential and ultra-low fees. Ethereum is the main blockchain for NFT releases and is the market standard. When it comes to the community-based art, they chose NFT formats not due to the hype, but as a means of uniting people in a proactive community, a group of like-minded enthusiasts who are actually able to start changing things together. They are organizing an online gallery with all 2048 works of art, as well as an offline exhibition listing the names of the owners who wish to participate, each of whom are united with the idea of contributing to the great cause. Regarding their communication strategy, Metamorphoses is more than an art, is more art than NFT. For cryptos, they are a real art project with an offline presence and long-running investing perspectives. For art collectors and critics, guys, they are an NFT art project with a strong idea and art statement behind it, but it's worth paying attention. We have their full team listed here on their website. As I mentioned, their 2 artists are here, guys, Ekaterina and Rostislav. Mr. Maxim is the CEO, Andrew is a tech advisor, Daniel is the COO, Lena is the editor-in-chief, Faina is the project manager, and Anna is the content editor. When it comes to their friends and partners, Kidults are CG Mobile. Here is their Twitter page, guys, with over 16,600 followers. I definitely recommend hitting them with a follow if you are interested in this project, you think it might be something that you're interested in. You can see that they are very active in their community, guys, posting very often. Their last tweet was on December 19th. This pinned tweet shows the 4 NFTs from the Metamorphases collection. Each one represents one of nature's elements, as I mentioned, guys: air, water, earth, and fire. Their digital art is quite remarkable, guys, and I gotta say it will be innovative and quite shocking and disruptive to the industry. Definitely not something to be overlooked. Here is their Instagram page, guys. Again, they are posting fairly often. Lots of great art, fashion, and conceptual production pictures for us to view. They are based in Andorra in Spain with a worldwide presence. Hit them with a follow on Twitter and check them out. And here is their Discord page, guys, with over 1,900 members in there. Definitely another page to check out. Keep on your radar. Their admins are very friendly, can answer any questions you might have. I would highly recommend joining this group. In conclusion, guys, remember that their collection is released on 2 blockchain platforms, the Telegram TON and the Ethereum ERC20 chain. The TON collection sold out in 4 pre-sales. The first collection was sold out in 18 minutes. On the Ethereum blockchain, guys, they are conducting a massive whitelist campaign. The whitelist is open, guys. The main traffic channels are Reddit, Twitter, media networks, GoNet, influencers, guerrilla marketing in closed communities for NFT owners, collaborations with DAO, mailing and shilling to NFT investor accounts. Shout out to all my students. I love you. Shout out to the Crypto Class Gang. Shout out to the Lembo Gang. Shout out to the Whale Gang. Shout out to the Hodl Gang. Thank you for always your continued support, guys. I really appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that like button for me. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Please remember, guys, we are an impartial channel, so whether your opinion is negative or positive, we'd be more than happy to hear it. That being said, guys, class is now dismissed. We'll see you in our next video. Professor Crypto out.